Hello and welcome once again to the Clinical Modeling Project's tutorial videos. Today we are going through the process of introducing text and titles to our videos. This is a very useful and important feature to our project, as it will allow us to identify our videos and also to call the attention of the viewers to some aspects of the video that might be important noticing. So in order to do so, we will start with the process as we left it last time. So we have our video in the timeline and we have our cursor at the beginning of the video. If you go to the top of your screen, you can see the option titles and you should choose that option. You can see that once you do it, a lot of options will appear in the screen. Some of the options you might notice have this red diamond on the top. So you should avoid using those. So please choose only text options that are not with the red diamond. The one that we recommend for this exercise is the basic 5 text option that is very basic and easy to use and very flexible as well. So what we will do first is to introduce a title in the beginning of our video. In order to do so, we will put our red bar at the beginning, at the start of our video, and we will click on the basic 5. You have the option here, and you will click on the plus button to add to the project. And as we do so, the text will appear here in a different line. You will also notice that here on the right side of your screen, it will also activate the option text that will allow you to edit what is written there. So we can now put the red bar back to the beginning, and you can see that the text already appears in our screen. So what we will do, we will write here in this text box the title that we want to introduce. So for example, in this case, we will introduce Basic Life Support, and the text will appear there. You can see that here you can choose the font that you want, the size, and also the color of the text. You can also put it in bold, italic, underlined. You can center, or you can justify it as you want. Here you have more text options, and you can also introduce a background to the text and choose the color of that background. So everything about the text, you can edit it here in this screen. Also here, if you notice, if you click here, you will see that this text has the duration of 5 seconds. So it will appear on the screen during the first 5 seconds of the video. This can also be edited. So you can just do it like this to make the text shorter, or to make it like this to make it longer. What we recommend is between 3 and 5 seconds is acceptable for a text. If you click on play here, if you are to review the video, you can see that the text is there as the video starts, and after the 5 seconds of the video, it will disappear. So it is working perfectly. As I said at the beginning, these titles can also be used to call the attention to some particular aspects of the video. Since this is a basic life support video, one important aspect is, for example, the moment the compressions start. So what we can do to call the attention to that moment is we can pick up our red line, and we can place the cursor as the compressions start in the video. And if you place it there and you add the video, the text once again, you click on the plus, and you can see that the text will be placed exactly in the moment the compressions start. So we can put it there to see the text, and we can go here and we can say compressions. Here you can, in the screen, directly in the screen, you can also move the text in the screen. So you can put it at the top, not to interfere with the process of compressions. You can make the text smaller, in order to make it more adjusted to the screen. You can put it in bold, and you can choose a different color. Let's put it, for example, in yellow. And if you click on play, you can see that the text is there again for 5 seconds, and the compressions continue, but you identify the moment the compression started. So this is the true basics of introducing text. You can also, after this exercise, explore all the other effects and all the other backgrounds. You can also use other types of titles in your videos, depending on the purpose of the video. Some of these can be adjusted, some of them are more flashy, some of them are more simpler. You can choose the ones that we want. On the next session of this tutorials, we will be giving you a very important information about how to introduce the panels and the text that will identify the videos of our common library of medical and nursing cases. This should be the pattern that we will be using in the videos, but as I said, we will going through that in the next lesson. Thank you very much, and stay tuned to the Clinical Modeling project.